Just finished up my stretch of work days and back down at Big Green. I'm probably not going to be getting my hands dirty until tomorrow. I got a few project management things to tackle today. Permit applications, prepaying for plumbing delivery because my plumber starts tomorrow. And I have to run some money to the subs. I got electric and HVAC working right now at the house. I just want to go over a few things. We're talking about front loading those CapEx items. I'm noticing in this house that we have what are called drum traps. The problem with drum traps is they're very susceptible to backing up. Though when the water goes down your drain and into that large cylinder, it loses that flow, that strong flow of water. And any solids that go down that drain don't necessarily have the momentum to make their way out, down through your waistlines and eventually out. So what they'll do is they'll eventually build up in that cylinder and you're gonna inevitably get a backup. Another big issue with drum traps is you cannot snake them. You're stuck having to, there's a lid on them that you have to take off and clean out that cylinder. Very obnoxious because anything is gonna be a maintenance call and you're gonna be going out there, or your plumber is gonna be going out there, or your handyman is gonna be going out there fixing that every time. So let's get that out now and not ever have to think about it again. Just got down to the house and subs are in full swing. Let's see what they got going on. These guys are doing an awesome job. They're flying. Let's go take care of these applications. First time I've ever handed in permit applications and didn't have to make any changes. And now for a quick trip over to the local plumbing supply so that I can pay for supplies so when my plumber gets there tomorrow, he can just roll right into work. $262 for plumbing that you don't see. Those budgetary items are something I will never get used to. Just finished up at the house for the day. So much got done electric and HVAC wise. The attic unit is set. The ductwork is running to all the vents and all the vents are in. Super excited to see how far we get tomorrow. I'm just so happy with the way that this renovation's starting out. We are flying through this project. I'm so excited to get here tomorrow and get back to it. We are on our way to the house and we have not gotten a call from anybody yet that would divert us from the goal of the day, which is to get this bathroom started. I'm sure that you are sick of seeing us in our truck. I cannot wait for this bathroom to be done so we can finally move into this project and really truly get the benefits of the house hack.
Well, the plan for today is to shiplap the walls in the bathroom, and I'm excited, so much so that I'm rocking my shiplap shirt. I don't know if this is...
I love your shiplap shirt.
I don't know if this is too corny, but when else are you supposed to wear a shiplap shirt? You can't wear it when you're not shiplapping. It's like wearing your demo day shirt when you're not demoing.
No, you just don't. You just can't.
So, hopefully this will bring good omens, but I do feel like you saying that no one called us is now going to jinx us. There's a whole day ahead of us still. Lots of problems can arise. But it's sunny, which I'm super excited about because it's been a little dreary here in New Jersey. And today's daylight savings time, so we lost an hour of sleep.
Yeah. I was so excited. When I woke up, I looked at my watch. smashed myself in the fucking eye. Oh.
Where'd you get your level?
No, I'm gonna fucking egg on my eye. Like how fucking swollen right there?
Just red right now, it's not swollen yet.
Oh my god. This is what I was doing when I smacked myself in the face. I was like trying to, because the middle's bowed out like this, so I was pulling it towards me and boom. We're gonna stop shiplapping here for the time being and leave our electrician a few feet so he can utilize this balloon framed wall to pull wire up here to the 3rd floor.
In the next episode, we'll finalize our kitchen design and get it prepped for rough electrical and plumbing. And since Kyle smashed his face with some shiplap, give this video a like, subscribe to BiggerPockets, and follow us along on Instagram at Rentals to Wealth.